Hello, good day, everyone. I am good news from the King's Farm and Industry. You are coming across my video for the very first time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you very much. It's going to be a little bit long, but I will encourage you to follow till the end, okay? I came into Benin this morning. This morning. I was even today's date. November 8th. I came into Benin this morning, November 8th. Just to visit some farms and also visit some sites that the construction of the farm will be starting soon. On one of the farm I visited, there's this question that came up. What is the what is the maximum amount we can start with? Wow. This question normally comes up when we visiting a new site like this or when we are discussing with intending farmers over the phone. And I think it's best we answer the question here once and for all. And to answer the question, there is a little story I would like you to pay attention to. A year ago, I ran into a video on YouTube, and this video was an interview of some Chinese persons across different continents. And when it gets to Africa, the Chinese man that was interviewed is the head of the tomato paste industry in Ghana. They asked him a very simple question: why are you people no longer importing finished tomato paste to Africa? The man's answer was there's this projection that by the year 2050, Africa will become the biggest agro market. That they don't want to entertain this market from far. That's why they've come very close to the market, come into the market on time. So that when this time will come, they will be at the very forefront, determining what happened in the market. God, anytime I remember this video, I'm not always happy. Because our African brethren are not seeing this. The funny thing be say, they know they use our tomatoes here. Now half processed tomatoes that they use. And they bring them from China. Now just to do the last phase here, then distribute to local markets. They don't buy from us. They produce in our midst and they sell to us. We will still be a slave to them when this time will come. You too can also position yourself at the very forefront. Yes, you too can position yourself at the very front row when this time comes. You cannot do it then, no. You can only do it now. By investing in any sector in agriculture and investing very big, that's the only way you can do it. Because when this Chinese company come to Nigeria or any other African country, they come with billions of naira to invest. So, for you to meet up, you must also invest big. This is why I said in one of my videos, if you want to make it big in this business, you must be ready to invest big. You see, life itself is a risk. I want you to know. When you are not taking risk, you are at risk. If you can buy a vehicle of 5 million and above, yeah, if you can build a house of 20 million and above, without thinking of what if this house collapse? What if this vehicle had accident the next day? What if this vehicle have accident after purchase? Then you can invest millions in snail farming. Stop thinking of what if you do this one, what if you do the other one. Stop it. I want to start very small. I want to start small. I love to start small and grow big. Stop it. Yeah. If you can use above 100 million naira just to roof your house, you can also invest above 50 million in snail farming and make good profit annually. Snail farming is not limited to one plot. Yeah. I was very happy when I heard that in Edo State they are setting up a 10 plot greenhouse for snail. The project is on as we are speaking. Yeah, I was very happy when I heard that. Yes, if you have the money, invest. Purchasing of vehicles, building of houses, and this and that, they are all liability, except you are using it for transportation. But snail farming is an asset. Yes, the return appreciates annually. So this is why I will encourage you, my Africa brethren, emulate the Chinese. Invest big if you have the fund. If you have the backing, invest big. There is money in agriculture. Others are coming in from outside to come and make our people. Yeah, others are coming in from outside, investing massively in our land. Yeah, in agriculture in our land. And here we are still saying, I want to start small, and you have the money. What you need to consider is this: snail farming, you can embrace success in a very short space of time. But you have to watch the foundation of this your investment, the housing system, construction, and species of snail. If you can get these three right, other things will be okay. Just like as I've been saying, make sure the housing system is extensive system. Okay, I received some persons to the farm this morning. They they just want to see the quality of the snails, and they were shocked. Yes, they were surprised with the quality of the snails they met at the farm. The housing system, go for the extensive, the greenhouse. The construction, make sure you did not allow greed to push you into constructing the farm yourself. So, this is my advice to you guys. If you have the fund, invest very big. Okay, there is good profit in snail farming. If you have the land, invest big. I repeat, invest big. Stop this mentality of what if this, what if that, what if this. Life in itself is a risk. We are all taking risk. Some of you listening to me here are gifting people millions, most especially the side chick. Come on now, forgive me. Oh. You see, some of your accounts are just there. The millions are there lying down. Why not invest? Not only for your sake, but also for the sake of the unemployed youth in the streets that you can take out of the streets and employ in your farm. Yes, you can invest in meat production and slime production. I was not happy when I heard that only two persons have slime extracting machine in Africa. I was not happy. Think out of the box. Set up a quorum where you produce frozen chicken, you produce a frozen snails, just like we have frozen chicken. Yes. Let us invest in snail farming. By the time Africa become the biggest agro market in the world, we too, in one way or the other, will be at the front. Thank you very much. Just like as I said in my previous video, our promo is still on and is ending this month end, November ending. So that's the reason we've been visiting site and all of that, because a lot of person want to queue in and at least benefit from this opportunity where you can have 200,000 off if you are constructing a plot of 50 feet by 100 feet. But if you are constructing above a plot, you will still have access to other benefits. So that's the way it is. Don't forget, if you want to buy snail feed or calcium, you can reach me through this line 081 140 66659. Once again, I am Good News from the King's Farm and Industry, and our base is in Benin. Have a wonderful day ahead.